In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy GoMining tokens inside of GoMining. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up GoMining like you usually would and log into your account. Then from here, you need to go up to the right hand corner and go over to the virtual wallet up here. When you select that, you'll see this page right here. And here you need to click deposit. And then from here, you need to click buy GoMining. Then from here, it should look something like this. And up here, you can connect your wallet directly, or you can select the swap BAP20. You can buy GMT from all of these exchanges, where you'll also be able to see the price over here with the green number. You can do it by crypto, or you can buy by card. And as you can see here, I am from Denmark, so I'll have the option to either Skrill, NetDollar, Visa, Revolut, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!